Hi, Joel here. I want to talk to you about insurance gaps. And they're just as bad as they sound, but they may affect you today and tomorrow. That's why I want to talk about this. Disclaimer, I do have my license, California insurance license 2120220, and I need to disclose that in California, but I'm not selling insurance. So no representation here, just the facts. I became aware of insurance gap in 2020 when I was learning to get my license, and the issue was Uber and Lyft drivers. They had typically been using their personal insurance for their vehicle, which is much cheaper than a commercial insurance, and that personal insurance stopped the moment they agreed to drive somebody for money. On the other hand, the Uber or Lyft company covered the drivers the moment that the customer got into the car. In between accepting the client and the client entering the car, there was no insurance coverage. So if the car gets damaged, tough luck. If the passenger trips, gets hurt by the car, again, no issue, no recourse. And so some driver got it pretty bad. But here's the trick. In an AI-generated business, I use AI to produce copy. I use AI to generate images. And I don't always own the IP from those programs. So I do my own thing. I prepare my business. I keep on top of my field so I can answer problems from people that I don't know I will ever meet. But then I contact some leads and we start discussing and they get interested, and then yes, we sign a contract and that becomes commercial. But in between, what happens? Does my insurance cover it or not? Between the time I contact the lead and the time we sign the contract. Maybe yes, maybe no, but you have to check. So that's why I'm telling you this. Again, not selling, just plain facts. Take care, bye.